One of the things that drew me to Rhodes was the fact that it was a small college in a big city, which is something you don't see very often.
Memphis is unique in the way that it can provide all of those things, both cultural, educational, entertainment as well.
The college can always help you find different internships in the area.
I love my position at the Memphis Brooks Museum. It kind of fits two things that I love to do, like just be with children in general and do art making. Great opportunity to engage with the city that I've lived in my whole life, but in ways that I might not have been able to prior.
The Watson Fellowship is a global-based fellowship that you apply for your senior year of undergraduate, and my Watson project is looking at the intersection between healthcare and homelessness throughout the world and seeing what can we take back to our own community and apply.
Particularly for Rhodes students, because we are a bit more service-oriented than I would say other schools are.
Seeing I got an email, I opened it up, and it was from actually the fellowship advisor who said, congrats on the Watson. In a couple of months, I would no longer be in Memphis, where I've lived all my life, and I'd have this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity really to go and study healthcare and homelessness and all these different places that I also had an interest in, both through an academic perspective, through the project's perspective, but also personally.
So after I graduate, I wanted to explore the Rhodes Masters in Accounting program, which is a great program, has 100% job placement rate, and then eventually do forensic accounting is the ultimate goal.
Something which I'd be interested in now is pursuing a dual degree in medicine and public health, which is something which I didn't have initially coming into Rhodes, but as something which grows onto you as you live in the city, as you do the different opportunities that Rhodes provides.